This is Dr. IJ Arora, Chairman of QMII. I lead teams in process-based management system, and I am committed to the system approach. I see lots of difficulties in interpreting clauses, and the idea of these videos is to simplify the standard for the users or whoever are the audience who will see these videos. I've already done the clauses up to 5. Now we are looking at clause 6. In fact, specifically clause 6.1, actions to address risk and opportunities. Please remember that in the previous standard, which was 2008 based, up to 2015, we talked of preventative action. The intention is not to throw the baby with the bathwater. We are proactive and we want to look at preventative action. But in the cycle there, we did that at the act stage of the PDCA cycle. In this 2015 version standard, which I'm talking about, please remember we want to be risk-based thinking action. We don't want to be reactive, we want to be proactive. We want to see that risk will not wait for something to go wrong and then we will act on it. We want to identify the risks. Also the newer concept where risk should be an input, not just something to be feared or to be mitigated, and created by innovative methods into an opportunity for improvement. This clause 6.1 takes the information from 4.1.4.2, context of the organization, based on interested parties and relevant issues, to enable the organization to meet its objectives and goals, prevent supply chain disruptions, where needed fill the gaps, etc. Planning your response is not enough. You need to plan ahead in risky areas and see that you are already integrating your system effectively to use the risk inputs. Finally, these actions can't just live in a risk register. They must be integrated into your quality management system processes. Most importantly, you must evaluate if your actions actually worked. Did that new training program reduce the errors by creating competence? If not, clause 6.1 tells us to go back to the drawing board and look at it again. So I would say that when we go to clause 6.2 and study the objectives, we have taken care of the risks. We have interpreted our policy correctly.